The latest innovations in psychology and neuroscience tell us three things critical to marketing. Our brains are, first and foremost, emotional. They are cognitive and rational second. Our brains are organized into associative networks, ideas, images, and emotions that are interconnected. Most of this emotional functioning and organizing takes place non-consciously. This means that focus groups and surveys do not provide you with a complete picture of what your customers are thinking and feeling. Why? Because your customers can't tell you what they don't consciously know and feel. So what does this mean for advertisers? In addition to the usual methods we use, we have to measure the non-conscious associative networks and emotions that actually drive most of our behavior. Implicit Strategies has provided those methods. To measure non-conscious associations, we use our Implicit Networks test. Here we measure people's reaction time in thousandths of a second to important aspects of your message. To measure non-conscious emotions, we use our Implicit Emotions test. Here we present an important aspect of your message so that only the emotional part of the brain can react to it. To do so, we present that stimulation at a certain speed and clarity, followed by another stimulus for the respondent to rate. To measure large numbers of people quickly and efficiently so that we can perform sophisticated statistical analysis, we use the Internet. Our results tell you what your customers' non-conscious emotional reaction and associations are to your message. Go beyond what your customers can tell you. Learn about their unconscious associative networks and emotions. Make the implicit explicit and get the whole picture.